Yo, what up guys? Welcome to Jack's Off to another adventure. Now, you ever wonder what it's like at Chinatown in like 7 in the morning? Well, if you want to find out, then join me as Jack's Off to Chinatown. Let's go. All right, so once again, I'm with Coach. Damn, dude, this place smells like piss. Oh, that must be fresh piss right here. Here's Coach again. We're gonna go walk around Chinatown just to see what life is like in the morning and maybe get some breakfast. Yeah, let's go. So because it's so early in the morning, there's not a lot of people out here, especially here in the newly remodeled Chinese playground right here. And you know, like nowadays, as a grown-up man, you're not really supposed to go to a playground by yourself. So since there's no one over here, just wanted to show you the remodeled Chinese playground here. So the dragon, although it looks like Thanksgiving turkey, and then we have this vintage mural art here. It's been here since I was a little kid, guys. And then for some reason, this girl right here decided to put a window here. Whoever designed this took her face out. But yeah, even though it's called Chinese playground, it's actually officially the Willy Woo Woo Wong, but it'll be always known as Chinese playground for me. And one thing I want to show you guys is more of these wall arts. Check this out. Hasn't been touched for many decades. Also, these drawings were here when I was a kid. Look at that guy. I used to look like that with that split hair and baggy pants. But yeah, this is supposed to depict the Chinese community here in Chinatown right here. Some of the successful Asians winning trophies. And then this must be school or something. That must be a teacher. And then this kid's like, oh, I forgot to do my homework. And then these people are like, yeah, we don't hang out with that guy. We're the good kids. But yeah. So if you're ever here in Chinatown, come check out Chinese playground right here. It's pretty nice.
Lens flare.
Look what I found here in the alleys, guys. So we have some mosaic art, some roses. You got a dragon giving some kind of stuff to a kid. Maybe you're passing down like some secret techniques, how to rule the world. This is like Chinese opera. And fun fact, even the female characters are usually portrayed by men back in the days. And then we got some flowers, some more flowers. You got swallow, because Asian people, especially Chinese people, they love eating swallow's nests. It's considered a delicacy. And then right here we have some little kids playing, and then the lucky cats. Also, you see those lucky cats in Japanese culture as well. And then this big old thingamajig right here. More bamboos, trees, art, just something for people to see, I guess. So yeah, I have never seen this before, or maybe I just never noticed it. So here you go, Chinatown Mosaic, guys. So yeah, usually this street right here will be packed, but because it's so early in the morning, it's relatively empty. We're starting to see some of the shops open right now. The calm before the storm. Hardworking Chinese people here, trying to make a living, honest living here.
No line for long.
Oh, right there, there is a line, but just not a long line. That place, the orange place, Ho Wang Gok, that's a very popular dim sum place amongst locals and tourists. And usually when you're here in Chinatown, you see a long ass line, but here in 7 in the morning, there's a small line. The truck's blocking though, but just gotta trust me on that. And then see, people are up early buying stuff already. And then this part, Jackson and Stockton, this is where the major markets are.
It looks like it's still not open.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure you can go buy something,
They're
but
about to get open.
yeah, they're just prepping right now. All right, let's keep walking this way. Let's check it out.
It's nice to be out so early.
Yeah.
Once you get over the part of away from them.
So guys, if you want to work out, definitely come here to go shopping when it's busy, because you'll be fighting all those Asian grannies and grandpas. And let me tell you, they get pretty ferocious when it comes to groceries. They don't mess around here. So you might think they're frail and whatnot, but when it comes to buying stuff on sale, they will kick your ass. So right now, oh, no, it's not Hong Gumbo. Oh, check out that little art piece. Wow.
It looks like they're just setting up.
Yeah.
Or you can buy stuff like a set right up. Yeah, it's still definitely early.
So I don't know if this is an old depiction of like Chinatown right here. You know, this guy passed out. There's some liquor right here, so he's probably drunk. You got someone smoking, some food. It looks like historic pics. This person right here, so you gotta have the rice right here. Asian people can't live without the rice. These aunties are really happy cooking. Aunties are very happy when they cook, and some Chinese food, some dumplings, some siu mai, pork ribs. A lot of Americans don't eat this, the steamed chicken feet. Buns, buns, bun, bun, bun. So yeah. Take a look at this alley, guys. Haven't been back here, but this wall is made out of red envelopes. And then this word right here, Hong, which means kind of like healthy, health or something. But yeah, very neat. Oh shit, that's my clan right there. Yeah. And just look at the designs right here. You got some very nice red envelopes. People get really creative over these. And on the news recently, I think it was, oh, they redid this because I believe this was defaced by some asshole, so they redid it. So we have a new Bruce Lee face now. And then we also have Tupac. But yeah. And then this alley feels a lot cleaner now. It used to be like filled with shit. So yeah, earlier on we were on Stockton Street. That's more like the local area, right? So on Grant Street, where we're at right now, this is more like a touristy area. And as you can see, it's not so open. It's pretty empty compared to Stockton. So yeah, so they want to accommodate tourists. They don't want to open up too early here because, you know, they know tourists sleep in. I know I do when I go on vacation, I sleep in. Unless, you know, I gotta go do something. But yeah, so this is how it looks like on Grant Street, 7:30 in the morning, guys.
Went down the street in the morning.
Yeah. Yeah, so early in the morning, this is Portsmouth Square, also known as Fagengog, the most popular park here in Chinatown for locals and for tourists. And fun fact or pro tip, if you need to use the bathroom in Chinatown, there's public restrooms over here. Although coach really don't like it, but hey, if you gotta go, you gotta, you know, bathroom here. So check it out, guys. Another secret to why Asian people live so long is because look at these aunties over here. They're like active, you know, it's only 7:30 in the morning and they're out here working out. So aside from walking up all these hills doing leg days, they're also just out here stretching out, socializing. It's good for your mental health. So if you want to live longer, you want to come here early in the morning and do some stretches, or just stay active in general. So, you know, let this be your motivation, let this be your inspiration, and live healthy. Be like Chinese aunties. Hey, wait a minute. It says, no adults allowed unless accompanied by children. Where are the children at? Oh, y'all, they're doing some shady stuff over here. Nah, keep doing you, aunties. So one of the reasons why we wanted to come here really early in the morning was because of photography. So early in the morning, the lighting is pretty good, and also it's very empty, you know, so you can get a lot of shots with no one around. So this is Ross Alley, where it's usually very popular. It's a very commercialized alley because of the Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory right here. So as you can see in the morning, no one here. Damn.
Speed and time.
Damn. All right, so after walking around for a bit, time to get some food. I'm gonna get full and then end this video. So yeah, let's go get some Chinatown food, breakfast.
就好似無意中咁啊，壽司啊，嗰度多過。
Woo! So yeah, just finished breakfast. That was like a hearty Chinatown breakfast. Very cheap too, for like $5. Full now. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. So in case you guys were wondering what Chinatown is like early in the morning, there you have it. All right guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until my next video, Jack's off and Jack's out.